Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete photo or video from recycle bin in Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to open your gallery application in your Samsung Galaxy phone. I'm going to open up my gallery and then we can click on these three lines right here. Okay, and here we can simply go to the trash. Alright, and after that you can choose video or photo you want to delete from your recycle bin or trash, and I'm just going to select some of them, or you can also select all by clicking on this all option and all files will be selected, but I'm just going to choose some of them like this, and after that we can click on delete. Okay, and I'm going to click on delete. Okay, and now the files have been deleted. Alright guys, and that's all the way to delete photo or video from recycle bin in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.